happy race day. It's about 6 o'clock right now. I just left my hotel room and making my way down to the start line. It's a short walk distance to from my hotel to the start line, so it's not too bad. Consider that walk as my warm-up. So here we go. All right, 3 miles in. Love the costume.
I figured Queen Mary on
Queen Mary. Over there. Alright, getting some minor side stitches on my right. Feeling good. We're almost finished, so let's keep going.
I'm on camera.
Last mile. Let's go. Here's the prize. Finish line's back there somewhere behind me, but happy to have finished. I'm here with a good friend, Doreen. Her husband's the one that started with me at the start. I got Mama J here supporting me on. So all the training,
Congrats, Jen.
all down to today. So thank you guys. I'm gonna go relax and wait for David to cross that finish line too. So
Personal record.
yay!
Oh my goodness.
David finished, guys. Woo! Congratulations. You finished the race too. All right. I finished. That's a wrap. Alrighty friends, that is the 2021 Long Beach Half Marathon. I can't believe it's already been a week, but it's still an incredible feeling to look back on. Here is the finisher medal that we received at the end of it. And with that, we will end this journey here. Thank you so much once again for joining me on my half marathon training, my progress, coming back each week, and you know, just coming along for the ride. I truly do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the 13.1 miles of amazing views along the race route. I really truly do appreciate it. And we must end it here and move on to the next adventure. With that, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll definitely have more running races, travel adventures, and everything else in between coming up, so you don't want to miss out on any of that. If you would like to see the series or rewatch the whole thing, I will put the link of the playlist in the description below, as well as up in the corner right here, so you can check it out right after this. But until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Take care.